Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change the region on Android 16. Alright, to do it, all we need to do is to simply open up our settings. Once we are here, we need to scroll down a little until we find the system. Now, language and region. And now we have regional preferences and we can change the region right in here. In here we have suggested regions. And as we scroll down below, we have all regions and we have a long list. And in here we can set the region that we want. So for example, let's change from United States into, I don't know, Denmark. Just like that. You can see that our device will keep English as a system language, then click on change. And now the region has been successfully changed into the Denmark. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.